are plenty of things to consider if you want to buy gear with a lower environmental impact. Here are some of our favorites.
Bluesign is a third-party company setting a high standard for environmental impact, such as chemical and energy use in the production process. By buying Bluesign, you can make sure that your product and its components were produced in a responsible way. For outdoor apparel or gear using synthetic materials like polyester or polyamide, you can lower your CO2 impact by buying products made from recycled materials. And also think about social responsibility and animal welfare. The Fairwear label ensures fair and safe working conditions in production. You can also make sure the leather in your hiking boots is fully traceable and ideally locally sourced. There are also standards for the responsible sourcing of down and wool, like the Responsible Down Standard and the Responsible Wool Standard. But the best thing you can do to keep your impact low, try to invest in quality gear that will last for a long time.